Hello, Jeff Turner here. I am going to be illustrating for you today a WordPress plugin that my partner Steve Zengit just finished that will allow you to take the export file from your ActiveRain blog and import it in its entirety into a WordPress blog. When ActiveRain sent out the notice that they were giving you the ability to export an archive of all of your posts, which you can do right here from your home page down on the left hand side, clicking right here, export your blog entries. When I received that email, the first thing I did was send an email to Steve Zengit, my partner, and said, hey, I think it'd be really helpful to the people at ActiveRain if they could do something with this XML file that ActiveRain exports very, very simply and easily to import this into their own WordPress blog. So we're going to walk through those steps and show you how simple it is. This is the blog_entries.xml.gz file. When you click Save File, this is going to download to wherever your default location is for your downloaded files. And it's pretty simple to export this from ActiveRain, and as you can see, we've done that. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go find that file, and you'll notice that I've got it here, blog_entries.xml.gz, and if you're on the Mac, just simply double-click on this and it will automatically unstuff. If you're on a PC, it may automatically unstuff. You may have to download some uncompression software. So I'm going to unstuff that, and you'll notice that it sticks the blog_entries.xml file right there in the same folder. So far, so good. The next file you're going to need is our ActiveRain import plugin, and that will download also in compressed format as a zip file. So I'm going to double click on that as well. And you can see here we have the ActiveRain import PHP. So for those of you who already have an existing WordPress blog, you're probably familiar with installing plugins, but I'm going to walk through that anyway. So I'm going to go to my favorite FTP piece of software, which is Transmit, and you can see this side is my hard drive, and this is my ActiveRain import plugin, and here's my plugin folders. I've already put it here, but if I wanted to, all I need to do is drag this over and put it in my plugins folder inside of the WP-content folder for my blog. Okay? So inside the plugins folder, put this ActiveRain import plugin. The next thing we're going to do is go import it. So let's go back here, and I'm going to show you this site. This is a demo site that we use to test lots of different things, and as you can see, there's absolutely nothing here. So I'm logged into the back end of the site, and the plugins are here, and you'll notice that I've activated the ActiveRain importer, and it will, when you install it, come in as inactive, and so you just have to click on the activate link, as you can see with right here. Just click on that activate link, and then what it gives you underneath tools is a new import option, and that import option is ActiveRain import plugin, oddly enough. So I'm going to now go and browse through here to my desktop where I've got this tutorial file, and now I'm going to go to that blog_entries.xml, double click on it, and simply say upload file and import. Now it's going to analyze that XML file and then give you some options. Again, since this is a test blog, all I've got is an admin option for an author, but you also have the option to just bring them all in as published. Just publish them automatically. And I guess if it was a brand new WordPress blog that you were starting up just so that you could import your ActiveRain posts into, that might be fine. If you have an existing blog, however, I would probably bring them into draft, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to select to put them all in draft mode and hit submit. Now it's going to just run through and import all of these posts, and at the end it says have fun. There's the link. It takes me back to the front page, and you can see it looks exactly the same. So I'm going to go back into the admin panel of my blog, and I'm going to go to my posts, and as you'll be able to see, there's 277 posts here in draft mode. So now I can simply go through here via quick edit, or go into edit if I want to. One of the downsides of the XML export from ActiveRain is that it doesn't export any categories, and it also doesn't export any tags, and it also does not export any of the comments. So what we've done is we've forced all of these posts into the category of ActiveRain, and so I can quickly go here, sharing a book, sex, and real estate, hit quick edit. If I wanted to select different categories, I could do it right here. I could very quickly insert some tags, click on published. I could even set a new date if I wanted to, and hit update post. I'm going to do this for just a couple of posts here, and just go and publish them. Another quick edit, just click on published and hit update post. Now again, I could add tags, I could add categories, I could do what I want to right then, but now you're going to see when I go back to visit the site, I've got some posts automatically sitting there. Here's my latest stuff, those 3 blog posts that I just activated. We've fixed all of the broken links in the XML file and cleaned up some of that XML, and it just imports beautifully right here into your WordPress blog. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Enjoy.